Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I apologize for the wind noise, but it is what it is. This is probably going to be the last day of sweet corn harvest. I'm going to bring y'all along for the ride. We just got over 2 inches of rain last night, so I got my mud boots on. We're going to pet some corn. Catch y'all out there.
Take a minute. I'm gonna back up my face quite a bit. I'm gonna try to show y'all the corn. I don't know what you can see. This little camera kind of see whatever. There's the corn. Show y'all the garden spot. If you can hear me at all, because this wind is really great today. When I mean really great, I mean actually we appreciate it very much. Yesterday it was terrible. The heat was on. This corn right here. These plants. My son over here, Mr. Cole Fletcher.
What's up?
Yeah. He said he was gonna make 2,300 ears of corn, he thought. Estimated out of this little crop right here. We tell y'all what we just did. We picked the corn pretty clean. And we got to go back through it some. But see how pretty it is? And this is even smaller than what we've had. Right here. There's been some big ears come out of this. Silver King, Silver Queen. We have got a total of somewhere around 3,600 ears. And this boy right here, he wants to talk. I'm gonna talk first, and then we'll get back to him. He has done this work. Now Brandon's helped him. He helped him plant it, and Cole got out here and fertilized it and put nitrogen on it when it needed it and watered it every day because it didn't rain and it got time to pick it. That's how it works. He's a part of this team. I'm gonna let him talk a little bit now, but I just want to brag on him because he don't want to brag on. He don't need to brag on himself. That's not. Thank y'all. I want to say thank y'all because if I had to sell this on the corner, I would have, but all I had to do was say please share on Facebook. And boy, if y'all didn't share, my phone died 2 days in a row because y'all shared and everybody in the mama called and we sold this corn. And I thank y'all very much.
I want to thank everybody for helping us sell this corn. Huh? You want to see the sign? Well, it's picked pretty clean. We got a little bit to go back through. Silver King is done. Is this thing in? Yeah, it is. Some plants are missing because Kid pulled them up and threw them over the fence. This is the Silver Queen. I'll show you all the difference between the two. Y'all can see how the leaves are more roughed up than these leaves right here. This is Silver Queen. This is Silver King. Thank all y'all again. Thank all y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time.